Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Petitioners have filed this petition claiming therein that petitioners were earlier working in district Lalitpur. Stop. On 27/5/2013, state government issued a transfer policy by transferring the teachers of the institutions run by Basic Shiksha Parishad in pursuance of the transfer policy dated 27/5/2013. Stop. Petitioner were transferred to district Banda wide order dated 11/7/2013. Stop. It is petitioner's contention that they were informed by the district basic education officer Banda that the batchmates of the petitioners functioning in the district batchmates at that time were not promoted and therefore petitioners have to go to their districts from where they were transferred, or they will have to work on a demoted post as an assistant teacher available at that time in district Banda. Stop. Petitioners in para 10 of the writ petition has mentioned that they were left with no other option but to approach their district, that is Lalitpur, for the required order as per the direction issued by the district basic education officer Banda. Stop. Petitioner's contention is that since transfer has been made in terms of the policy, therefore his grade pay could not have been reduced from rupees 4600 to rupees 4200. Stop. Petitioners are entitled to pay protection. Stop. In support of this contention, petitioners have placed reliance on the order dated 6/12/2018 passed in writ number 25804 of 2018 and order dated 8/8/2019 passed in writ number 14899 of 2019 and has sought a relief that they be paid salary with grade pay of rupees 4600 as they were getting before their transfer to district Banda. Stop. Shri Arun Kumar, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent numbers 3 and 4, submits that case of the petitioners is different from what has been canvassed by the petitioners, and petitioners are not entitled to any relief. Stop. It is submitted that as per the transfer policy dated 27/5/2013 as contained in Annexure 3, there is a specific provision that persons seeking transfer will be transferred in the desired district only when in the concerned district where a person is seeking transfer, persons of his batch are working on the equal post. Stop. It is submitted that admittedly in district Banda where petitioners sought transferred, their batchmates were not promoted to the grade pay of rupees 4600 and petitioner was given an option to either revert back to the district from where they were transferred, that is district Lalitpur, or in the alternative accept the question as were obtaining in relation to their batchmates. Stop. At this stage, Learned Counsel submits that with a view to enjoy his transfer to district Banda, petitioners had gone back to district Lalitpur, got himself reverted in the grade pay of rupees 4200 as is apparent from Annexure 10, which is a last pay certificate issued by Block Education Officer Lalitpur and thereafter joined at Banda in the grade pay of rupees 4200. Stop. In view of such facts, now at this distance of time, it is not open to the petitioners to claim relief, and these facts have not been appreciated or were not brought to the notice of the coordinate bench when orders were passed in writ number 25804 of 2018 and writ number 14899 of 2019. Over.